no trend at all. Everything is just going sideways, and it's easier for me to trade when I see that the market moves like this. This is what the price action tell I'm going up, pulling back, going for a continuation, pulling back, going for a continuation, failing, unfortunately losing some money. This is what I hate and what I do not really play. This is what I don't really play, and then this back what I love trading. This is Ayman and we're back with another video for the stock trading simulator series. Today I'm going to be talking about how to play ranges, or how I catch bottom and top reversals on stocks which are choppy on the daily chart. Before going there, I want to remind you that after signing up to our simulator, and it is free for everyone, you could just sign up here and practice trading from stocks in the past. The biggest question a lot of you are asking is how can I find stocks in play? What stocks should I practice on? Just click on this small icon here, go to BBT watchlist. It will redirect you to a new page. This page has moderators watchlist for 6 months. And if you want it to be more than that, or if you go through this all, let me know and we can always extend it. And then you can either open it day by day. You'll find some strategies with hints of where you could have played a breakout, a reversal, or a trend continuation, and an explanation of one of the stocks on these particular days. Where could you have played the breakout, the reversal, the trend continuation, and why? Or you could just simply open the moderator watch list and pick one of the stocks in play and practice trading on it. Anyway, getting back to our topic. So on March 31st, I played AMD. On March 31st, I had literally nothing on my watch list. Why is that? The whole market looked like this. No trend at all. Everything is just going sideways, and it's easier for me to trade when I see that the market moves like this. This is what the price action tell I'm going up, pulling back, going for a continuation, pulling back, going for a continuation, failing, unfortunately losing some money. This is what I hate and what I do not really play. This is what I don't really play, and then this back what I love trading. Anyway, going back here, you could see that we are just stuck in a range. Higher, higher, lower, lower, red candle, green candle. When I see that, I do one thing only. I'm playing reversals. I'll check the previous day close. The previous day close 119. I'll check the ATR for AMD, and I see that the ATR for AMD is somewhere around $6 to $7. So I'll draw an ATR line at around $7 or $6. There it is. Now, after I've drawn the level, let's open AMD here as well. After I have drawn the level, which is the ATR, I'm not going to play in a reversal only because it hit the ATR. I need to see that, yes, the ATR is hit, plus there should be a strong level on the 60. And I see there it is. So this here is the ATR being hit at this level, plus there is a level that we could actually bounce from. Now that I have that in mind, we're going to the 5-minute chart and we're going to the 1-minute chart. I set an alert, and if the price reaches that level, it will be triggered and it will show me, oh, AMD is sitting at 120.25. You might want to just simply watch it, right? This is it in short. Now let's open it and go back. This is where it got alerted. I see that the stock is dropping closer to the level that I'm waiting for a reversal on. And remember, reversals are ranges. It's not necessarily, it doesn't necessarily need to hit it and then reverse so that you play it. It could get just simply closer to it. One of the things that I love watching before playing the reversal is seeing that the stock made 3 or 4 5-minute candles in a row, which makes it extended from the 9 moving average on the 5-minute chart, which tells me that we're extended on the daily, we hit the ATR, we're close to the level, we're extended on the smaller time frame, which is the 5-minute chart, and now I'm looking for a reversal on the 1-minute chart. On the 1-minute chart, before I play the reversal, I want to see a fake break. I want to see a wick down, like sort of a bear flag or a reverse ABCD pattern, a wick down, and instantly see it getting both back up. And there it is. That's what I wanted to see. Buy it. You see? Now that I'm buying it, I'm holding it for a bigger risk to reward. So my stop loss would be somewhere around the bodies around here, and my target would be 3 times above my loss. So if my stop loss is around 130, around 30 cents or 35 cents, my target would need to be at least 114, right? Like 114? Yeah, around 114.10. And then all we need to do is just simply hold on to the setup and let's see what's going to happen. So it gets me stopped out. We are out. the stock didn't work out, the next thing I'm going to do is wait for it to dip lower. I want to see the level that held before get broken and make a new low, or basically a fake breakdown, before I play it for the next time. One important criteria there is that we do not want to see a new 5-minute high. If the stock makes a new 5-minute high, then it drops down, it becomes a bear flag or a reverse ABCD pattern, and it's more likely to continue going lower. But as long as it's making lower highs, it means that the stock still didn't make the pullback. It is extended, and it still is more likely to make the new high before dropping down. Now you can see it's holding around the level. Red hammer, indecision candle, green candle. That's looking better. Not better actually. Let's see how it's closing. That's it. You see, it's making a new high, and you could play it to the long side. What's your stop loss? The stop loss is below the bodies around here. Now the next thing that you could do is you could either wait it for a small bull flag on the 1-minute chart, or you could see, oh, there it is. You could add to your position and now move the stop loss to the low of the bull flag. After that, it's just simply holding to your target. My target on this stock was 114.50, which is around 30% or 30% of the ATR. That is what I usually target on reversals. And once it's going to my target, what do? Just sell it, because you are going over the against the overall daily trend, and it's more likely to continue going lower. Do not play it for a full reversal unless the trend on the daily chart is going to the upside, but intraday it's selling off. This way you can play a bottom reversal and hold it for a bigger move. So that's it, guys. If you like the video, please hit the like button, share, subscribe to our channel. Let me know if you have any suggestions. Let me know what you think about these recaps, if there is anything I could do better. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll see you on